Realme is ready to launch the GT7 Pro as early as this month. The confirmation comes from Shu-Chi Chase, the brand president of the Chinese maker, who posted some details about the phone on his Weibo page. The executive revealed that the new phone will combine a top-tier Snapdragon flagship chipset with a periscope telephoto lens so that the user does not have to choose between the two. Realme is obviously waiting for Qualcomm to announce the fourth generation of the Snapdragon 8 chipset to schedule its launch. This will happen next week, as the San Diego company is hosting its yearly Snapdragon Summit in Hawaii between October 21st and 23rd.